Namaste children. I hope everybody are safe and fine at home. Good. Welcome to our EVS session now. Okay, now everybody are having your EVS Little Thinker book along with you. Pencil, eraser, sharpener, everything you are ready. So everybody should stay safely at home because nowadays we are suffering from a new disease, now new virus. So everybody should be safe. Don't come out of your home unnecessarily without your parents' knowledge. We cannot able to see each other, but by this online session we can see, we can learn. Okay, now this is the lesson 3 EVS. Subject is EVS. The lesson name is my neighborhood. The name of the lesson is my neighborhood. Okay, now these are the pictures. Now everybody saw all your neighborhood places. What are the places near to your house? All the neighborhood places and neighbors you all saw. Yes, now you are all talking with your neighbors. Good. Now you can open your book, see the activity in page number 31. Okay, now you can take 31, page number 31, the activity. Now keep the finger, the, T-H-E, the, O-B-J-E-C-T-S, the objects, T-H-A-T, that, A-R-E-R-M-A-K-I-N-G, making, T-H-E, the, P-L-A-C-E, place, M-E-S-S-Y, messy, messy the place, dirty. Okay, messy means dirty. H-A-V-A, have, T-H-E-A-R, there, O-W-N, own, P-L-A-C-E, place. Now see, the objects that are making the place messy have their own place. See, for all the objects they have their own place. Okay, see, if the vessels, we have to keep it only in the kitchen. If it is a bed, you have to keep only in the bedroom, like that. See, for some objects we have some places for that. Help, H-E-L-P, help the children. You have to help the children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-R, children. P-L-A-C-E, place, E-A-C-H, each, O-B-J-E-C-T, each object, I-N-N-I-T-S, its, P-L-A-C-E, in its place, by, D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing, a, L-I-N-E, line, F-R-O-M, from, the, O-B-J-E-C-T, object, T-O-2, T-H-E, the, P-L-A-C-E, place, I-T, it, B-E-L-O-N-G-S, belongs, T-O-2. Help the children place each object in its place by drawing a line from the object to the place it belongs to. So you have to draw a line from the object to the place where it belongs to. Okay. Now see the first one, G-L-U-E, glue. G-L-U-E, glue. You all know what is glue? Yes, glue is a gum to paste something, to paste some papers or pictures. Okay. Where we have to keep. So glue will be used to, yes, this is a shelf. This is a shelf and this is a box, pencil box, and this is a craft box, C-R-A-F-T, craft, B-Y-S, box, craft box, and this is the bin, dustbin. Okay, now we can see 4 places here. Okay, now first one is glue. Where we have to keep the glue? The cupboard, the pencil box, craft box, or dustbin? Yes, in craft box we used to paste all the pictures and drawings. So this glue will be putting in the craft box. Okay, now next one, BITS, bits, OF, of, PAPR, bits of paper. See, bits of paper lying on the floor. What do you have to do? Pick them up and put in the bin. So bits of paper we have to put in the bin. Very good. We have to put in the bin. So from here we have to draw a line to the bin. Next, CRAYONS, crayons. What is the meaning of crayons? Yes, it's a coloring pencil. Okay, coloring wax. See crayons where we can keep in the shelf or box. Yes, in the craft box. Yes, we can see. Okay. We can see where we have to keep. See, this glue we have to keep in the craft box. Okay. Next, bits of paper in the, yes, in the dustbin. Okay, I have to put in the dustbin. This crayons where we have to keep, can keep in the cupboard or shelf. Good, very good. This crayons we can keep in the shelf. Next, useful papers. See all the useful papers like books, where we have to keep. Craft box or pencil box. Oh, we have to keep in the shelf. Okay. Useful paper in the shelf. Okay, we have to keep it here. Next is the scissors. Scissors. Scissors will be useful in the making craft. So you have to keep the scissors in the craft box. Super. Next is pencil, pencil shavings. shavings, pencil shavings. It will be put in the dustbin. Good. In the waste box. So in the school also when we sharp the pencil, you have to put the pencil shaves into the dustbin. Good. Whether we are doing that in the classroom. Yes, good. I know everybody are smart. We will do inside the classroom also. We will keep our classroom neat and clean. Okay. Glue, craft box. Glue, craft box. Bits of paper, dustbin. Crayons, shelf or cupboard. Useful paper, cupboard or shelf. Scissors, craft box. Pencil shavings, dustbin. Okay, now you all, if you have completed, check with the answers. Okay, remaining others, you can draw the lines. Okay, good. Shall we move to the next one? Good. Now see this picture in activity 3.6. See, we can see this. How do you, H-O-W, how, D-O, do, Y-O-U, you, H-E-L-P, help, Y-O-U-R, your, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family, I-N, in, K-E-E-P-I-N-G, keeping, Y-O-U-R, your, H-O-M-E, home, C-L-E-A-N, clean. See, how do you help your family in keeping your home clean? See, we all used to help to our mother, no? Yes, to our parents, we used to help them. Yes, what are all the actions? How we can help them? See, tick your choice. What is your choice? What are the helps you will do to your family members? You can tick it. Okay. See the first one. What is this child is doing? The parent. See, the parents and the child, both of them are helping each other and keeping the toys inside the box. Whether you will do this action? Yes, this action is good. Good. If you do this action, you can put a tick here. Next one. See the second action. The girl is cleaning the vessels. Whether if you do this action, do this help to your parent, to your mother, you can put a tick here. See third one. The girl is helping to the parents by washing the clothes. Yes, if you do this action, you can put a tick here. Next one is, yes, this boy is helping the parent to put the waste in the bin. Okay, good. If you do this action, yes, you can put a tick. Next is the girl is, yeah, she's folding all the cloths. Yes, she's arranging the cloths neatly and giving to the mother. If you do this action, put a tick here. Okay, you can check it. See all the actions if you're doing, you can put tick to all the actions. Okay, good. Now you all see, check it, which action you will help your mother. Yes, good. Next one, cleanliness. See, cleanliness, C-L-E-A-N-L-I-N-E-S-S, cleanliness, K-E-E-P-E-I-N-G, keeping, O-U-R, our, H-O-U-S-E, house, C-L-E-A-N, cleanliness, keeping our house clean. We should not keep our house only clean. We should keep our environment, neighborhood, places clean. So we have to help each other and clean the places. Okay. Good. Now see, keep your surroundings also clean, not only your home. See, before itself I told you, not only your house, you have to keep your surroundings. KEEP, keep. YOUR, your. SURROUNDINGS, surroundings. CLEAN, clean. Keep your surroundings clean. Make the earth clean. MAKE, make. THE, the. EARTH, earth. GREN, green. So you have to keep all your surroundings neat and clean. It will make your earth green. Okay. See, by this you have to complete all the activities. Okay, we can see about the new words now. What are the new words from the lesson now? Okay, see, number 1, NEIGHBOURHOOD, neighborhood. Neighborhood. NEIGHBOUR, neighbor. CLEAN, clean. Okay, neighborhood, neighbor, clean. Okay, number 4, SURROUNDING, surrounding. Okay, neighborhood, neighbor, clean, surrounding. Next, BANK, bank. Next, number 6, POLICE, police. STATION, police station. Neighborhood, neighbor, clean, surrounding, bank, police station. Super. Okay, next we can see. Yes, POST, post. OFFICE, post office. Post office. These are the remaining new words. Okay, post office. These are the neighborhood places. Good. RESTAURANT, restaurant. RESTAURANT, restaurant. Okay. Next, SCHOOL, school. SCHOOL, school. Next, RAILWAY, railway. STATION, railway station. Railway station. HOSPITAL, hospital. Good. This is hospital. HOSPITAL, hospital. BUS, bus. STAND, bus stand. BUS, bus. STAND, bus stand. Next, LIBRARY, library. LIBRARY, library. Okay. Now once again you can recall: neighborhood, neighbor, clean, surrounding, bank, police station, post office, restaurant, school, railway station, hospital, bus stand, library. Okay. Okay, children. So everybody should complete all the activities what and all we have given you. And this new words, you can take a pic also. You can take a pic and you can write neatly in your rough notebook. Okay. Then only you'll be all the neighborhood places. You can remember all the spellings and write neatly. Everybody should write neatly and correctly in your rough notebook. So okay, all the activities what and all you have completed, show to your parents also. Whether it's correct or not, you have to show to your parents. Yes. So all the homeworks what and all we have given you have to complete clearly and fully and send it in the Cancel app. Okay, good. Okay, children. By this, the lesson 3 we are going to end it. Okay. Good. Very good, children. Thank you, ma.